Alright guys, I guess it's time for my speech, huh? Let me take care of this. Alright. Family, friends, in my life, I've only ever really loved 3 women. The first, as you all may know, is my lovely mother. She's over there in pink. Hi, Mom. The second, I don't really need to talk about dahil iniwan niya ako. Sabi niya mas maraming gwapo daw sa ibang bansa. So, wag na yun. And the third, of course, is my Grace. You look beautiful tonight. But you know what? Unang kita ko pa lang sa kanya, gandang-ganda na ako. Pero hindi kami nagkakilala agad.
Someone, somewhere out there in the universe is waiting for you. Isang taong totoong mamahalin ka.
I'm Attorney Edward Villarreal. I was referred to you by Attorney Marge. She's a family friend. And I'm sure I can help you para mapabilis yung pagsampa ng kaso niyo.
Edward!
Are you okay? Okay ka lang ba? It's okay, I'm here. You're okay now, you're okay.
Ibig sabihin ba niya, tayo na?
Mahal kita. Nakita mo na lahat ng kahinaan ko, lahat ng kakulangan ko. Diyan ka pa rin. Di mo ako iniiwan. Loka-loka na ako kung papakawalan pa kita.
Hindi kita pakakawalan, Grace. Kahit ano pang mangyari. Grace Evangelista, I love you so much. Will you marry me?
Yes!
Yes?
Yes, yes, yes!
I don't know, I guess God has an odd way of bringing people together. In this case, He turned a very unfortunate tragedy into a beautiful opportunity para makilala ko si Grace. And ever since then, we've never parted ways. I'd also like to add that she is an absolutely amazing person. Yes, marami ng bagyong dumating sa buhay niya. She's been tossed around. Even our own relationship has been tested. But what did she do? Sige lang ng sige. Pag nadadapa siya, babangon uli, lalaban lang siya ng lalaban. You see, the special thing about Grace is that she sees more than what our own eyes see. Grace sees with her heart. And yun yung katangian na pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya. And, I'm getting a bit lonely up here, so I'd like to ask my future wife to join me here on stage. Okay, let me get you. Hi. One step. And another. Okay. Grace, every day I thank God for you. Wala na akong mahihiling pa. Kumbaga sa kaso, case closed na ang paghahanap ko sa mamahalin.
Good evening! I'd like to say a few words also. Siguro naman alam nyo na hindi naging madali ang journey namin ni Edward patungo sa gabing ito. Inaamin ko, minsan naging matigas din ang ulo ko. Pero hindi niya ako iniwan. Nandyan lang siya. Now I can say na kahit madilim ang paligid ko, naging malinaw sa akin ang lahat. Dahil kay Edward, he became my light. Siya ang dahilan kung bakit ngayon may liwanag na ang buhay ko.
Grace Evangelista, I love you.
I love you too, Edward.